What happened with me was I was about a block away in Lake Alfred to take my son back to his mom, and turning into the neighborhood, the other driver just blew past through the stop sign, ran right into my truck, and drug it from the driver's side door all the way to the rear, and took my rear axle out, my rear tire, and truck dropped. And it was just a whole mess, and I had some internal bleeding from the seatbelt restraint on me. Got to the hospital, got checked in there, and I called, Mr. Pellini, which I know him from outside of this situation, and to see if if he knew somebody. He told me that's exactly what I do for a living. Where you at? I'll be there to come see you tomorrow, and he took care of me the whole way. It was a pretty good experience, yes. I mean, I had met Jasmine outside of this incident, like not even a couple weeks before. I had met her at the gas station, and even when there wasn't really much of any progress going, waiting on liens to be settled out and stuff like that, she always made sure to call me at least, if not weekly, every other week, just to give me an update where we're at with stuff like that. It's pretty much I just put it in their hands, and they made the calls. They got the paperwork, and they got all the information they needed. I just continued to work when I got back to work, and they handled it pretty well for me. Most definitely, 100%. I would definitely come back if it ever happened again, and recommend anybody.